Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous over-the-top 2004 Corvette. Just about every part of this car has been touched. It's got a custom hood, custom bumper, custom front fenders, custom quarters, C6 Z06 wheels. Those are the true 18s. Custom headlights up front, Billy Boat exhaust, custom Valance. Drilled rotors, custom painted calipers, custom taillights, custom carbon wing. $55,000 invested in this car. Custom gas cap. Ronfellow stripe. The indicators too are progressive. Looks pretty cool. So they do a swipe. A lot of time, effort, and money invested in this car. Only a few hundred remain in this combo too. Black with red interior. Probably 30,000 made, but only, I don't know, I guess 600. This Billy Boat exhaust sounds so good too. It's loaded too. Automatic, heads up. Also new seat covers. Z06 wheels are wrapped in contents. Man, Billy Boat exhaust sounds so good. Custom emblems. Tons of documentation on this poncho. Custom Sills. $71,381 miles. Bose Sound. Automatic dimming rearview mirror. This is a non-transparent roof, which I believe is an option. Love the Stinger hood. It's pretty cool. Stoppers. Well, stock under the hood except for the intake. That's reliable. Got all the receipts and everything here. Build photos. Tons and tons and tons of receipts. Here's the original window sticker. Sticker, $49,280. Build sheet. Pretty cool. exhaust sounds so nice. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, smash that subscribe button. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.